Hello, kung saan ka man nanonood or nakikinig sa ating presentation ngayon. Good morning or good afternoon or good evening po sa inyo. In this session, pag-uusapan lang po natin itong tungkol kay Kaiser International. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, si Kaiser ay isang HMO provider dito sa Pilipinas. So of course, malalaman po natin in the succeeding slide more about Kaiser. So ngayon, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng idea na si Kaiser, mayroon siyang short term, mayroon din po siyang long term at senior care. So, sa mga companies, like mga private companies, may mga companies na si Kaiser po yung kanilang provider, no? So, binibigyan ng mga companies yung kanilang mga employee ng benefits. The same din po sa iba't ibang mga companies, no, na binibigyan nila na yung ng um, short-term benefits yung kanilang mga employees. Okay, but of course, yung focus lang po natin ngayon will be about the long-term care. Okay? So, with regards to Kaiser International, so yung ambassadors po natin dito ay walang iba kundi si Tita Shawi. Okay? So, of course, nagustuhan niya din po yung goal or yung mission ng company na mabigyan talaga ng benefits or benepisyo yung kanilang mga members, no, na para magkaroon ng peace of mind. So ayan, um, we are duly accredited with the Department of Health, and our company is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. And of course, our Kaiser Board of Directors are seasoned experts in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry, with its president and medical director, Dr. Leia Oy Yolo, a seasoned HMO executive and a prominent doctor. Ayan. So, for Kaiser International, so again, it's an HMO and it caters to both corporate, group, family, and individual accounts with our various short-term plan packages that would suit your healthcare requirements. So ayan, yung mga different plans niya. So my individual, my family, mini group, my group, at saka my corporate. But of course, since na-mention ko kanina na I will be focusing more on the long term. So ito yung long term. Okay, it's a kind HMO product na natawag nating premium healthcare builder plan. So it's a long-term saving plan. Okay? So basically with this um plan or this long-term plan, it's a 7-year paying and 13 years waiting plan. So this is designed to provide healthcare beyond that of an HMO, and it allows individuals to save during employment, no? Habang nagtatrabaho tayo, magkaroon tayo ng ipon while still being covered by company's health plan. Kasi if we compare the short term, you will only have the benefits the moment that you are employed. Pero pag nag-resign or nag-quit ka sa iyong company, hindi mo madadala yung mga benefits, 'di ba? So siguro yung iba nagbabayad tapos nag-share sila, no? Si company nagbabayad din. Pero, the moment you stop, hindi natin madadala yung benefits na yan. Unlike for long term, so habang nagtatrabaho ka, meron kang short term, dadagdagan natin ng long term. Kasi, mag-iipon tayo nito, pero pag mag-stop tayo, since this is our personal savings, of course, atin ito, no? So, kahit wala tayong trabaho or stop tayo, meron pa rin tayong benefits. Okay? Kasi hindi naman talaga natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo, no, magkakasakit. So, with this saving plan, covered po tayo. Okay? So, it is geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after employment, no? Pag wala na tayong trabaho or pag nag-retire na tayo. Okay? This is a saving program na kung saan yung mga foreigner, kumbaga sa kanila, di ba, doon sa America or yung mga kind of plans po nila, it's designed more like this. Okay? So the same saving program that will cater the needs of the Filipinos to have savings, and at least meron silang health funds na magagamit the moment that they retire. Okay? So this will secure our life, okay, when we get old. Okay? So we will be able to have a more comfortable retirement. Yan. So 7 plus 13, so that is 20. So we will just save for 7 years. Tapos, yung 13 years na waiting time, that's our investment. Okay? Kasi itong savings na ito, meron siyang investment na kasama. It's not just the side na healthcare lang siya, pero meron siyang investment para mas lumago din yung perang naipon natin dito. Okay, so 7 years tayo mag-iipon, aantayin natin yung savings natin na mag-mature on the 20th year. Kaya siya tinatawag na 720. Okay? So, kung mag-iipon ka at age 22, so ayan, pag-iipunan mo lang siya ng 7 years. After that, tapos na po tayong mag-ipon. After 7 years, it will start to accumulate. Okay? So, sisimula na siyang accumulate because of the investment. Okay? So, yung investment pala natin, if you're not familiar, nasa mutual fund po. Okay? So, when it matures, so yan, it will serve as, good as cash na po dito, no? So, we have options or 4 options dito. Okay? The moment that mag-mature na po yung plan po natin. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga benefits niya sa accumulation at saka sa extended period. Okay? Alright. So, during sa accumulation period, from the 1st to the 7th year, meron tayong tinatawag na immediate medical benefit. So, first, meron tayong annual physical exam. So, this will be administered by an accredited clinic. Alright? So, meron tayong APA coverage at natawag natin itong basic 5. So, ito yung mga physical examination natin. Okay, so while we are saving, so as long as nakapag 1 year na tayo, so we can avail the physical exam. Alright, our annual, okay, itong annual physical exam natin. At saka kasama na yung chest x-ray, may routine fecalysis na kasama, at saka yung routine urinalysis, complete blood count. Okay, and for members above 35, so of course they can avail the ECG and the pap smear for female members above 35 years old. Okay, as required. Kasama na din po ang dental benefits. Okay, tulad na lang ng unlimited dental checkups, unlimited simple tooth extraction once a year, free dental prophylaxis, recementation of jacket, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of dentures. Okay? So next naman, meron tayong basic health benefits. So sa accredited clinic. So physician's fee, yung specialist fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist fee, yung operating room, and the hospital intensive care. So yung mga kasama niya sa basic health benefits natin. And for example, what if ma-admit tayo, no? So meron siyang 1,000 per day. Members' choice of room and board up to this amount. Okay, depende po yan sa kung anong plan po na i-avail po natin. Kasi meron naman po siyang lowest plan to higher plan. Okay, so number 5, ito yung tinatawag natin na yearly medical benefit limit of 60,000 per year after full payment of the first year of the total premium. So, halimbawa, kapag nakapag 1 year ka na, so pwede mo nang ma-avail or let's say pag ma-admit ka, okay, because of like minor lang, no? Minor illness lang. So, of course, meron po tayong 60,000 na pwede pong ma-avail po natin. Okay? So long that hindi po siya pre-existing. Okay? So, the above provisions, yung number 1, 2, up until 3, pwede po yung ma-avail after po sa full payment of the first year of the total premium. Okay? Number 6, ito yung term life insurance coverage. So, meron siyang insurance na kasama. So, in any case, what if something happens to the principal holder before attaining the age of 75? So, of course, meron tayong long-term care benefit value as indicated in the schedule of benefit. So, yung SOB, the moment that you already have, okay, your policy, makikita po natin yung schedule of benefits po natin sa SOB. Okay? And of course, yung beneficiary will be able to receive an amount equal to the sum of the long-term care benefit value. Again, makikita din po natin ito sa ating schedule of benefit. Okay, at saka ang long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. Okay? Susunod is yung accidental death and dismemberment. So pag may nangyari, should anything happen, if the members suffer or directly or independently of all other causes, any bodily injury affected solely external or violent and accidental mean occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement of the long-term care benefit. The insurance company will pay the following. Okay? So ito po yung babayaran po ng insurance company, no? So if let's say mawalan po ng dalawang kamay, that's 100% covered po, no? Mawalan po ng dalawang paa, no? So that's 100% covered. Yung mata, no? And then yung isang paa or yung isang mata, no? And loss of both sides. Okay? So yun po yung covered niya. Okay? Under accidental death and dismemberment. Okay? Next naman is yung waiver of membership fee due to death. So what if something happens along sa accumulation, no, from the first year to the 7th year? If the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, yung proceeds sa kanyang life insurance ay pwedeng maa-apply, no, to the balance of this total membership fees upon approval. So yung ibig sabihin lang po nito is that pag may nangyari, let's say nakapag-start ka na ng 1 month, diba, tapos active na yung policy mo, or let's say nakapag 1 year ka na, or second year, and then along the 7 years, pag may nangyari, let's say nakapagbayad ka ng 1 year or 2 years, yung remaining balance niya ay i-waive na, rendering the plan fully paid. Okay, so yung remaining years ay hindi na po babayaran kasi fully paid na po yun. At saka, when that happens, okay, because of like unnecessary or hindi po talaga inaasahan, no, na may nangyari sa principal holder. So of course, mawi-waive na yung remaining years and mafo-fully paid na at saka makakatanggap ng coverage yung beneficiary. Okay, so si number 9, ito yung tinatawag natin na waiver of membership fees due to total and permanent disability. Now, if something happens to the member, let's say na-disabled during sa accumulation period, doon sa first 7 years, at before sa kanyang 75th birthday, so hindi na siya makakapagtrabaho, no? Wala siyang income. And so, na-consider na siya disabled for life. And if that disability continues for at least 6 months, so i-waive na din ni Kaiser yung membership fee, yung premium niya, so becoming due during period of disability. Okay, so however, pending approval of the claim, membership fee should be paid as they fall due, so subject to refund upon approval. So mag-refund na lang si Kaiser. Okay, so take note that all the claims under the above insurance coverage shall be subject to 2 years period. So meron siyang tinatawag na 2 years contestability. Okay, as provided by law from date of issue or reinstatement of this contract. So if the member, let's say, na accident or let's say may nangyari sa kanya during sa accumulation period, yung beneficiary niya, yung principal beneficiary, herein shall be substituted as the new member. So yung principal beneficiary niya, yun yung substitute na as member. But kasi natanggap na yung insurance coverage, wala na pong insurance benefits, okay? And this is subject to the provisions on pre-existing illness. Okay, kasi yung pre-existing illness po kasi hindi pa po yan covered within sa first 7 years. As lahat po ng mga pre-existing or mga dreaded illnesses ay covered na po sa extended period. Okay, so during sa accumulation period, yung kino-cover po natin is yung mga minor lang po muna. Okay? Minor illnesses lang po muna. Okay? Ayan. And meron po siyang family assistance but this is subject to Kaiser's approval. So as long as active lang po siya, no? And of course, you can nominate patient basta immediate family member. Okay? Or within the first degree of consanguinity. And yung policyholder agrees na to avail only of the service of Kaiser's accredited doctors and mga affiliated networks of hospitals. Alright, so assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be to the extent of the allowable benefits due to the plan holder under his policy. Okay? Prior to discharge of the nominated patient, yung payment dapat masettled na po with Kaiser. And yung approval, okay, yung Kaiser's approval to avail of such assistance must be first be obtained by the members of the issuance of LOA will then be given. Alright, so please note that this assistance is an accommodation and not considered a benefit of the plan. So, yun nga yung nabagit ko kanina, it's subject for approval. Okay? Alright, so ito yung mga benefits, no? So, yung basic medical benefits. So, merong accredited hospitals room on board, services of accredited physician, may specialist, mga surgeon, and anesthesiologist, hospital's intensive care unit, tsaka yung operating room fee. Okay, and then, yung mga accredited hospitals po natin ay nasa over 800 accredited hospitals. Okay, and then the hospital's intensive care unit and operating room. And meron din po tayong special and extended benefits. Ito na po yung mga kasama. Okay? Okay, and then sa extended healthcare coverage period, ito na yung extended. Okay, so after sa 7 years, pag-uusapan naman natin yung sa extended period. Ano ba yung mga benefits niya? Okay, so dito naman, yung benefits sa extended period, may guaranteed health benefits as shown in the schedule of benefits. So, makikita po natin kung ano po yung nasa schedule of benefits po natin na pwedeng magamit at the end of the 20th year as part of the hospital benefit limit until fully utilized or can be converted into cash on the 20th year. So, the moment that mag-mature siya on the 20th year, so it's good as cash. So, may options po tayo kung ano po yung gagawin po natin sa fund po natin. Okay? And then, the yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit. So, nabanggit ko na kanina na may investment na kasama nga si Kaiser. Yung fund po natin ay invest sa mutual fund. So, mag-i-interest po iyon. So, yung interest po natin ay nasa 10% of the long-term care benefit value earned starting from the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th year. So, after the 7 years, on the 8th year, our investment will start to accumulate. Doon na po magsisimula yung investment po natin. Okay? So, hindi pa sa accumulation kasi nag-iipon pa po tayo. Alright. And then for the long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit, approximately 85% of the total membership fees, which can be converted into cash or be a part of the hospital benefit limit from the 20th year until fully utilized. So, yung 85%, it's, meron tayong option, di ba, sabi ko nga, so, pwede yung 85%, pwede natin kunin lang, or pwede yung 50%, or pwede yung, i-stay lang natin, okay, sa Kaiser para may fund pa din. Okay, the investment will continue. Ayan. So, depende po sa atin kung anong gusto natin no once na mag-mature na po talaga yung policy po natin. Okay, and additional benefits. So, may mga lifetime access to over 10,000 doctors, over 800 medical facilities, as long as we have funds available in our health benefits. Okay, so cost-free health benefits, may additional yearly healthcare hospital benefit po tayo. So, it is a benefit other than the yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit. Okay, at the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th contract year. So provided that Kaiser's investment earnings is higher than 6% per annum. Ayan. So, number one, ito yung mga annual health benefit, di ba? Okay, so may outpatient benefit, inpatient, pre-existing, dreaded illnesses, maternity benefit, dental benefit, annual health benefit, benefit plus the additional health benefit. Okay, so yung pre-existing, hindi pa siya covered dito. Dito na po talaga covered yung pre-existing sa extended period. Yung dreaded illnesses at saka yung maternity benefit, dito na po sa extended period. Okay? So, yung long-term care benefit value, ayan, nakalagay po yan. Okay? So, ito po yung, pag hindi po natin nagamit yung benefit limit po natin dito, kasi meron tayong annual benefit limit, yung ABL. Pag hindi natin nagamit sa accumulation, meron po tayong matatanggap na long-term healthcare experience incentive. Okay? Pero pag nagamit natin kahit isa man lang dito, ayan, so mawawala na po itong long-term healthcare experience incentive na benefit natin. Yung long-term care benefit, kung anong plan na kukunin natin, halimbawa itong K100, so on the maturity, isa sa ulit lang po yung 100,000. Okay? So yung total accumulated unused, so hindi po nagamit yung ano natin dito, no? So yan, nag-accumulate po yan. Total po siya to this amount, 269,750. And plus the K100 na long-term care benefit value natin, plus yung bonus na ibibigay ni Kaiser sa atin, lalo na kung hindi natin na-avail siya sa accumulation period. And naka-invest po kasi yung fund natin, kaya may additional yearly healthcare benefit tayo. So, meron tayong dividend na matatanggap. Okay? Ayan. So, plus the total health benefit. So, pag i-total natin ito, especially kung ito yung kukunin natin, so it would somehow amount to 1.1 million. Okay, this is the total accumulated health benefit. Okay, so long term, okay, yung long term care benefit value. Ayan, so kung anong plan kukunin natin, at saka yung long term healthcare experience incentive, yung bonus na matatanggap natin, at saka yung additional na yearly healthcare benefit. Kasi meron po tayong investment. So yung investment natin nag-i-interest, at saka yung interest nag-i-interest. So once that become accumulated, so ito po yung matatanggap natin. Okay? So this is computed. All right? But of course, yung investment po natin is not guaranteed kasi it depends po sa investment natin. Okay? Alright. So as long as merong fund po tayo, so it will continue to accumulate. So mag-interest po yan even until sa retirement natin and beyond. Kasi this will really cover up until 100 years old. Okay? As long as meron po tayong fund na naipon for our healthcare. Okay? So, with regards to the pre-existing medical condition, ito po yung mga illnesses or mga injuries na nako-consider to be in existence prior to the effective date of the contract. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi natin alam na bago tayo kumuha nito, meron na pala tayong nararamdaman. Okay? So, of course, yung mga medical expert, they will know about our condition. Okay, and any professional advice or treatment was given for such illness or condition, yung mga illness or condition na evident na to the member before the effective date of the contract. And malay natin, baka may history din, di ba? May pinagmumulan. Okay, baka hereditary din po yung yung illness. Okay, and the pathogenesis of such illness or condition started whether or not the member is aware of it. So kahit hindi ka pa aware or hindi mo alam, but meron na pala in existence na po siya. Okay? So malalaman po nila 'yan. Okay, and ito yung mga illnesses na pwedeng i-cover na sa extended period. Although in the accumulation, hindi pa po covered yung pre-existing. But once na nasa extended period na tayo, so ito na yung covered, okay, na mga illnesses. So you may take a screenshot of this para mag-guided po kayo. Ayan, including the dreaded diseases. Alright, so with regards to PhilHealth, it is integrated with this plan, okay, sa Kaiser. So once admitted, you will be advised to file for your PhilHealth reimbursement form. And of course, PhilHealth will deduct, okay, whatever is the cost doon sa total hospital bills. And if member ka, so yung remaining balance, si Kaiser na yung magbabayad. In regards to this plan, lalo na at naghuhulog at nagsisave ka na, meron tayong tinatawag na grace period. So, if yung payment natin ay halimbawa nag-lapse, no? So, if payment is made after the grace period, the contract shall be considered lapse. Magla-lapse po yan. So, however, meron naman tayong 30 days, okay, or 1 month na makapaghulog sa premium due natin. Pag nag-lapse naman, then may option naman na i-reinstate natin. So, pwede nating i-update or i-redate, but updating our plan, of course, we will pay the premiums, yung mga hindi natin nahulugan ng mga months, including the surcharge, 1.5% per month or 18% per annum from the date of each unpaid installment. Pero pag medyo malaki na, no, at hindi na natin kaya, so we can opt to go for the redating, wherein yung member will only pay the premium, kung magkano yung premium natin for that month, but our maturity will be moved. Okay, so magsasubmit tayo ng reinstatement application form, and then we have to pay for the 300 reinstatement fee. This can be done within 2 years of the first unpaid due date. So, yung kagandahan with Kaiser is that hindi automatically na terminate yung policy natin. So, Kaiser will give us 2 years, and within the 2 years, dapat ma-reinstate natin yung policy natin para maging active siya ulit. Okay? Para hindi po masayang po yung mga naipon po natin. Okay, and the member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing conditions and for purposes of contestability of insurance coverage and to any other requirements for a new applicant for membership in effect at the time. So, of course, parang new applicant tayo, but yung mga nahulog natin andun lang po yun, mako-continue po natin iyon. Yeah, only that the maturity will be moved. Okay? And si Kaiser will cancel the contract without need of notice to the owner if he fails to. Okay? If hindi po natin na-reinstate. And all reinstated plans shall be subject to the new price. Okay? So, yan po yung process po natin for the reinstatement. Right. So, kaya most of our members, of course, in-encourage po natin na wag po talaga siyang ilapse, no? But of course, hindi po natin maiwasan may mga ano talaga na panahon or may mga situation na baka nagipit tayo. So, pag nag-lapse, i-reinstate lang po natin, okay? Within the 2 years. And yung healthcare value po natin, ito yung tinatawag natin na cash value. So, the owner may surrender the contract for its cash value stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least 1 year. So, as long as active po yan, okay? Pwede po natin i-surrender. But of course, hindi po natin i-recommend, no? Kasi madidefeat po yung purpose natin why we started in the first place. Alright, and as for the transferability of the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, kung pwede ba itong ma-transfer or ma-assign? Yung sagot po natin dyan ay oo. Okay, the benefits under the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan, pwedeng ma-transfer or ma-assign sa member, provided na yung member, di ba, during his lifetime, na-appoint niya in writing kung sino yung principal beneficiary niya na pwedeng tatanggap sa lahat ng mga outstanding benefits under sa plan, okay, in the event of death. And Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan itself cannot be sold. Hindi siya pwedeng ibenta or i-assign or i-transfer to any third party, nor payment of membership fee na i-assume by the third party. It's a no. Okay? And ano yung mga benefits na pwedeng ma-receive or matanggap ng principal beneficiary? Meron siyang yearly healthcare benefit value. Okay? And the long-term care benefit, yung kung anong plan yung kinuha niya, at saka yung long-term healthcare, yung bonus na matatanggap niya on the maturity, at saka yung additional healthcare hospital benefit limit, provided that yung investment earning of the company is higher than the 6% per annum. So yung mga above benefits can be utilized by the principal beneficiary for his or her own health or medical benefits. Okay? Now, as for the upgrading of plan and mode of payments, so let's say you started, saving for this plan. It can be upgraded within 30 days after its effectivity. Let's say na-approve na siya at na-active na, no? So, you wanted to change this, so you can fill out amendment form, Let's say baka gusto mong i-change to from monthly to quarterly or semi-annual or annual. So, pwede natin i-change yan as long as pasok pa siya sa 30 days. So, mag-fill up lang tayo or fill out tayo ng amendment form. May 300 na processing fee. And of course, babayaran natin yung additional installment corresponding to the updated plan. Now, mode of payment can be upgraded anytime after completion of its respective cycle. Within 30 days after we availed, and then nag-fill out tayo ng form, nagbayad tayo sa additional installments due corresponding to the amount of the updated mode of payment. If beyond 30 days after availing, we filled out amendment form, we paid the 300 and the computation of dues based on the desired mode of payments. Okay? So downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. So if mag-start mo kayo ng monthly, you can upgrade it. But if you start with annual, automatically annual, we can no longer downgrade it to the other mode of payment. Now, as for the eligibility, of course, yung 10-year-old until 40 years old can start with the K45. This is the lowest plan. From 41 to 50 years old, K60 na po yung pwede sa kanila. For 51 years old to 60 years old, nasa K75 na po yung pwede sa kanila. So, yung ano lang talaga dito is that habang bata ka pa, you have to start early. Kasi the moment na mataas na din yung edad natin, tataas at tataas din po yung premium po natin. Kasi yung risk natin ay tumaas na din. Okay? So, kaya it's important to start early. Especially kung meron ka ng stable na job at may income ka na. As for the mode of payments, ito yung bank accounts na mag-send po tayo, no? For our monthly or kung anong mode of payment natin sa mga banks na ito. Okay? Alright, so nabanggit ko nga kanina yung 4 options the moment na mag-mature na yung policy natin. So ito na yun, no? So first, meron tayong tinatawag na total health benefit settlement options. So, option 1, continued lang health benefits natin with term life insurance. And ito yung mga benefits po natin. Okay? And second, continued yung health benefits with yearly increment annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. So, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned from total health benefits. Tsaka continued pa din po yung life insurance na coverage up to 80 to at least 25% of the total health benefits. But hindi na po siya mag-i-exceed to 1 million face amount. And number 3, kung partial withdrawal up to 50% of the total health benefits, you can withdraw up to 50% of the total health benefits and continue to enjoy the following benefits. Pero wala ka na pong term life insurance coverage. Okay? And ito yung mga benefits niya. Kung ito yung pipiliin natin na option. And number 4, pag full withdrawal of total health benefits, so yung policy natin is considered fully availed of. So should there be no option chosen within 30 days from the receipt of this letter, yung 1 po yung automatically applied. So that's it, okay, for this session. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you learn something. And it's important na makapag-start tayo early talaga, no? Para at least hindi po masayang yung panahon kasi yung time is very fast, no? Madali lang po talaga. So let's say kung natatrabaho ka, di ba, how many years you want to work pero hindi ka pa nakapag-start, di ba? So meron tayong mga kasama dito na nakapag-start late pero hindi pa naman talaga huli ang lahat, no? If you have questions, feel free to comment or send me a message para masagot po natin, okay? And by the way, if first time mo pa sa channel po natin, so please consider subscribing para ma-update ka din sa mga latest videos na ating i-upload. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day.